Warm welcome to Positive Trader. We are now gonna look on how to invest in Forex or how to start Forex. Whatever question that you might have about how to start, how to invest, here I'm gonna answer that step by step for you to understand, because it's very important for you to understand in a simpler way. So the first thing that I would like to add, which is not here, when you want to invest, wherever you want to invest, my own experience that I had and what I learned is that you need to have a caring heart. You might not understand it now why you need it, but in the long run you will understand. For now, let's not focus on that. Let's focus on the step that we need to take in order for you and me now to get started with investing in Forex. The first thing that you need to do, you need to download MetaTrader 4, which is MT4, or MetaTrader 5, which is MT5, on Google Play Store using your mobile phone. If ever you have a laptop, what you will need to do, you will need to click on the link below on the section of IC Market, which is a broker. So you're going to open a demo account and then be able to download the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 for your PC, because a phone and a PC, which is a laptop, they are two different things. And then the second, which is the third one, you need to enjoy learning. Enjoy learning, enjoy the journey. And then once you are done with MT4 and or MT5, which is MetaTrader 5, but first thing, let me show you MetaTrader 5 for you to understand much better. If ever you've never tried it, you've never saw it, so that we are on the same page here. I'm now opening MetaTrader 5, which is MT5. If ever you like MetaTrader 4, which is MT4, don't feel bad. Just use MT4. They are the same. So don't confuse yourself. And now I'm going to get a default demo on this MT5. So as you can see, here is my demo. I believe now you can see it. So this is how this thing it is. I'm not going to show you anything here because there's nothing to look on. So let's get going for you to understand, and then you can start investing. Number 4, you need to learn strategy. There are many strategies out there. You need to pick up one, choose it, learn it, practice it, make sure that you use the demo. You don't use your real money. And then our number 5, learn about currency pair, which is what you will see on the MetaTrader 4 or 5. And then our number 6, you need to learn about candlesticks. You need to learn about candlesticks. Number 7, you need to learn about risk, which is the most important thing on Forex. You need to know the risk, because it's very risky when it comes to when you're investing your money. You need to know how much are you willing to lose, are you willing to win, how much are you going to invest, how much are you going to lose. So you need to know about risk. And the last one, which is the most important thing, you need to be serious about the demo. I forgot. It's not the last one. So you need to be serious about the demo. When you're serious about the demo, you'll write every trade that you take, and you will know at this price I took this trade, when, and how did I profit, how are you feeling, all those things. You need to have a trading plan, which is the last one. So they both are more like the same, but they are not the same. The last one is you need to write a trading plan, a clear trading plan. And a plan is the one that is going to show you how much you're going to win, how much are you going to lose, So I believe you understand this one, because there's another lesson about it. If you can check the other lessons that I've made on my channel, you can see it. It's there. After a few months, I don't know how long it's going to take you to learn about investing in Forex, because learning is about practicing, having the experience of doing something. So the experience of doing something is like you're going to spend time on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Trade it demo, write down the trade, write down the profit, write down the losses, write down the slot size, write down the time, everything that you feel is best that you can write. And then when you're done that, you write your goals that you want to reach in a week, in a month, in a year. You can just explore, because it's all about exploring what you do not know, so that you are able to see how this is something that I don't know, is new. You'll just test everything that you see in there, so that you are able to see and able to learn. And then after a few months, which it can take you maybe, let's say 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, or which is 2 years, it depends on how you feel is best for you to start trading. And then once you're done that, the broker, you don't have to suffer, because I already have a broker for you. You are sorted, you are covered, which is IC Market. There's a link in the section below. You may click it, open an account, which is a live account, so that you can be able to start trading. Fund a small money. Do not fund a lot of money, just fund a small money. And then what you do when you're done that, you trade, and then you lose or you make profit. It will depend on what you have been doing on the demo. And then you withdraw if ever you made profit. And then the last one, you keep learning. You do not stop. Now I'm going back there again. I want to explain something that I believe I left. So what I left here is that you need to correspond. What I mean by corresponding, you need to correspond. You need to do the very same thing that you are doing on demo when it comes to a live. You need to do the very same thing that you are doing on demo when you come to live. If ever you deposited $100, you must make sure that on a live you deposit $100. You're matching up what you've back tested, what you have experienced, what you have done in the past with what you're gonna do now. You're gonna use the same emotions. You're not gonna change anything. If ever you change, you will be in trouble. That's why I'm saying you will need to have a heart. So you need to do the very same thing that you're doing on demo and mix it, take it to the real account. Do not change your emotions. Just be as like you're training the demo. And then once you're done, you know that you have a plan. You know that you are serious. You know the risk. You know the candlesticks. You know the strategy. You know about currency pair that you want to trade. You are not everywhere. You know what MT4 or MT5 what are you using there, the platform. You know a lot, and then from there you have experience, and then you become better. But then if you are facing some difficulties, because I believe it takes time for them to learn, there is a mentorship if you need it, so that you can learn the right information about Forex. But for now, just make it a point that you do take your time to go slowly, step by step, practice on the demo, take your time, don't rush it. You're still gonna have to learn about the platform first thing first. You still have to learn about a lot of things, which is strategy. You need to learn about currencies. We need to learn about candlesticks, which is something that you cannot learn in just one day. You'll need time. I believe I've shared the most important information that you will need as you're about to invest, because investing in Forex is the most important thing. It's fun, it's crazy, It's a lot of things, mixed emotions. It's a lot of things, but at the end of the day, you will feel more different. You'll be yourself. You'll learn more about yourself. Anger will just be there. Happiness will be there. Everything will be there. So it's just an amazing experience to have, and I believe this is gonna be the best journey for you. But remember, don't rush it. Take it slow. Take it easy, 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 easy. God bless everybody. Yours truly, Positive Trader. I am signing out. I believe we will catch up on the next lesson. Take care, protect your account and your demo account too.